Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another pre-market analysis video. And what we have in front of us is Gift Nifty's chart. And Gift Nifty internationally today has seen a flat opening and has emitted. This is a 5 minutes chart of Gift Nifty, and it has seen almost a flat opening. So let us also expect our opening be somewhere in this zone. Either it is going to be a little flat and little gap up or little gap down, but it's not going to be the there is not going to be a huge difference between the close and the opening. So let's in this video let's focus on bank nifty and nifty and the key important levels in the bank nifty and nifty that we have to keep in our mind, and so that we can be prepared for today's market for both bank nifty and nifty. So let's first start with the bank nifty. Here we have bank nifty on a 5 minute time frame. Let me just remove all these drawings. Let me just also take that away. And as you can see, yesterday it was absolutely apart from the beginning, apart from the starting moment, after that we have absolutely sideways momentum, excuse me. So all this price action was in absolutely this range. So if you especially see any flat opening, and then from there if you see a breakout, and then if you see a pullback to this area, and then if you see a momentum, then you need to focus on this level especially. So let's mark this. That's one level, and in fact it is a zone. Okay, all this is going to act as a zone, because you see there are wicks here. Okay, so all these wicks need to be taken care of for today's market. So this is one area. If the market is going towards the upper side, so let's also see what's the next level towards the upper side. It's got to be definitely this level. So on the upper side, if you look on the left, it's this level, because from there yesterday market has we have seen a opening from there. But after opening, you see last 2 days continuously we have seen a great downfall. This is the day before yesterday's chat, and that's how the price action is. And even here, so you see from there till here, it was absolutely a fall in the opening itself. So be careful, because yesterday there was also a lot of difference. There is a lot of fall in wix India wix. So you need to keep that in mind as well. So these two are the important levels, and if you are going towards the upper side, there is this huge gap there between these two candles. There is this huge gap there. So let's mark this huge gap as well on the upper side. And in fact, if you notice, this might be the reason for this yesterday's candle. Okay, so be prepared to see this as a resistance towards the upper side. And towards the downside, what you should notice is, see all this is a fresh swing high which has not seen any break, and similarly this area is the fresh low which has not seen any break towards the downside. So these two are going to act as an important levels. And if you notice this area, it has acted as a support for multiple times. You see how many times it has acted as a support for the bank nifty. One, two, three. Okay, and it has a small breakdown, false breakout, and then again it recovered. So it's four, you have five, and you have six, and almost till the almost into the close we have seen a close below that. But now this entire area is also going to act as a support zone, so keep that in mind as well in the bank nifty. So let's see what else we have towards the downside. Yes, okay, you see the price action here especially. Okay, it has seen a pullback, and it has seen a high, and then from this higher low it has again given us a strong a moment towards the upper side. So all these levels, all these swing levels are going to act as a key important level. So remember, what we are drawing is not just lines. Treat them as zones, and also don't expect these levels are compulsory. For sure they're going to stop momentum. No, no, nothing like that. You need to be you need to be a little aware of a fact that anything can happen in the market, but these are better to mark than nothing, than looking at a plain chart in the live market. So that's why we are focusing on these levels. And that's it with the bank nifty. Now let's see, for any reason if it's going further down, then you got to definitely mention this variation of piercing pattern and take this entire zone as a key support area. All right, so let me just adjust something there. Okay, that's looking fine. And symbol price level indicators. Okay. All right. Okay. So let's we are done with the bank nifty. Let's quickly see how nifty's chart can be marked with all such important levels. So here we have the nifty's chart. So in the nifty also it is the same situation. So let me remove this. It is the same situation. So first level that you have got to give importance is this level for sure. And after this level, okay, in fact it is little cross like that because of this momentum. These two lines are very little up and down, but that's fine. It is that line. And towards the downside, you have got to see this area has acted thrice. Okay, we have got support to 1 second, and also the third time towards the end. And this is yesterday's line, which is not important. And now, if you notice towards the downside, if you mark the swing momentum of this price action of nifty, we have got this. So all this lower all these lows, all these swing lows are going to act as important levels for the nifty. So let's mark this. Okay, we have this. And this is very important than these two, because you see price action has gone little sideways here. Okay, there is little sideways momentum there, small sideways momentum there. So that is more important than the above two levels. But above two levels are also important because from there you have seen a huge price momentum towards the upper side. So all these are the levels for the nifty. If it is further coming down, then you have to keep an eye on that, and you have to keep an eye on entire level there. Okay, entire week level there. So these are the important levels based on the price action of nifty and bank nifty in the past 2 days, so that if it is coming towards the downside, we know where all we have key levels. Always remember, these key levels are not meant to immediately jump into a trade by looking at this area. You notice the price action and observe the candlestick patterns and then get into your trade. So here in the nifty, on the upper side, see you have this huge gap. So let's also focus on that. And if it is going any further from there, let's keep this and that as important levels. And this for sure is the very important level. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's it about today's levels for both Bank Nifty and Nifty. See you in post market analysis. Until then, happy trading. Don't trade in large quantities. And see you in post market analysis video. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please consider hitting that subscribe button so that you get more valuable content like this. Thank you.